Today I'm going to explain how to make a facade design or facade drawings. So for example, this is a building. So if you want to make a facade design for this building, facade, or we also called it curtain walls, it's called aluminum or aluminum and glass works, or also called curtain walls. So first of all, you need to study the perspective of the building and see how many locations you have glass and aluminum works. For example, here is this one is a cladding, ACP cladding is called, and here is the glass. So you need to study it, and these are the horizontal louvers, and these are the design of a facade. So here you see these are the main facade of the building. So in this building, so these are the balconies, and in the balcony you have a facade. Here you have a continuous facade here. So this goes up to the top of the building, and this one also have a fin outside the building. Okay, so these are the rough idea you should get of the perspective of the building. Then you can check the other perspectives. This one is a round shape building, so you have to check the other one. So here you can see also there is a facade here, continuous facade, glass, and this one is a cladding, and here you have a facade again. The here important part, they are not showing the horizontal line of the glass, because you can't put a full length glass like this. So this we need to identify where you will add the line. So maybe you'll add the line here, so that's you have to identify. So some architectural drawing will clearly shows the lines, so you just follow that. If the line is not there, you have to propose in your drawing. So like this you study the facade. Here also you have continuous facade. Okay, so these are the building. Now the next thing, you need to go to the architectural drawing. So just check. So this is the plan. I just took the typical floor plan. So this is a typical floor. Then you can also check in the plan the location. Okay, this is the glass facade here, these are the glass, and you see continuously all of these are cladding, and this is the balcony handrail. So first thing what you should do is you have to clean up this, because in the facade drawing you don't need to include all this interior design. You will clean up this plan, and you will keep only the facade lines. Okay, that's the first thing you should do. Then identify the facade number. So these are the facade number. TGL04 is this facade number. So each facade will have numbers. You see this architectural drawing, when you get, you will have the numbers identified by them. See, this is TGL06, this is also. So when you see TGL or CW, some architectural drawing they mention, mostly you will see CW, curtain walls. So these are the TGL04A, TGL07. So first you identify this. So you see this one. So okay, so for the EC reference, so this is an architectural drawing. When you get architectural drawing, it will be like this. So when you make a facade layout, you have to tidy up all of this and remove the. So I want to show you after you tidy up how you will see. So these are the So from the architectural drawing, when you clean up and make facade layout, this will be look like this. So you clean the things from everything remove, we don't need. So you keep only the facade line here. See, this is the facade line. So your layout will look like this. So you will emphasize on the glass and aluminum parts and cladding parts only. So these are the cladding line here, and these are the facade line. Okay, so these are the facade line. So this is the facade layout. The first you are going to prepare a facade layout of a building, so it will look like this. So from this, see, this is from architectural drawing like this. When it's come to facade layout, it's become like this. Okay, so once you identify this, the next part is this member. You know, first you have to identify the vertical member which will take the whole load of the glass. This is need to identify this. So the second part, you have to identify which vertical member you are going to use. So this is that one, it's called mullions. This is the one. So this mullion will looks different length, and so this is the vertical member, it's called the mullion. So identifying which vertical member to use is the most important thing, because this is the one who taking the full load. So once you identify, so in the system you can see different size. So it's starting from 50 to 50 mm. In aluminum glass we discuss only in mm's. So it depends on a system what you use. See, it will be maybe 120, so 119. So according to the size, size of the glass, size of the building, this profile size will change. So first you have to check the structural requirement of the building, then it will come here. So this, you see these boxes here, this is the vertical members. And dividing the glass is also important, because you need to consider the wastage of the glass. So this is also an important part. So this is the way you make layout of facade works.